to it. And he said, no, sir, my aim is to open more schools. So anyway, he has been doing things as what Maharshi ji wanted. Maharshi ji wanted 500 schools in all over our country. So from that angle, at least one school in one district, or maybe to 25 schools in 20 districts, things like that. So he was doing that job of at least one school in one district, or two schools in one district, like that. So this is, as I said, it's a very difficult time for all of us, but we all of us have to join together, put in extra efforts, so we can continue to maintain our schools. Fortunately for us, even in this difficult time, Namah Shivayam ji has created a very good system of management and administration. He has made inspectors of school, people go around, they check the school, give the reports, all that, all those administrative systems have been put in place by him. And many of our senior teachers, Premdatta ma'am or Preeti Narayanan ma'am, of course Perumal ji, and all these people who have been associated with him so closely, they all know those systems. So it will be very easy for us to continue to those systems. Difficult in his absence, but easy in a way, because he himself has set up those systems. So we can just continue those systems. And whatever the unfortunate thing is this coronavirus, otherwise I should have been there with you, all of you, sit with you, discuss with you. But unfortunately, due to this pandemic, I cannot travel. Lot of restriction by airline for people above 60 years and things like that, 65 years. So that's why I cannot travel there myself personally. And all of you should join together, find solutions how to continue the legacy that he has left for us. And we will respect, definitely honor his wishes, and manage the school in a very good way as he was doing it, and try to match what he was doing. So Perumal ji, let's see if other people in our group have anything to say, and how we should proceed, and what should be done. And we could whenever there is some situation comes where we need some decision, we can create a group of people who can take immediate decision. If my help is needed, I am always available for everybody and anybody. So we should create some system where we feel his absence less as possible. As I said, his void cannot be filled by anybody, but we should try to minimize and maintain the system that he has created. Jai Gurudev Perumal ji, let's continue.
Jai Gurudev, thank you, sir. We will do it, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. May I now call upon Mr. Perumal to say a few words about this.
With the blessings of Gurudev and Maharshi ji, and able guidance of our chairman, we started the Maharshi Vidya Mandir school at Chetpat with a group of TM teachers, myself, Namah Shivayam, Ramalingam, Dr. Rajkumar, Maikandan, like that, for few students in the year 1983 at Chetpat, we started. When the school is slowly progressing, more and more developing, becoming a banyan tree, some senior-most teachers, even now, they are for the last 37 years, 35 years, extended their hands to strengthen the development, progress, our school, going on expanding. In that respect, like senior teachers, Premalatha, Preeti Narayan, Mageshwari, Nancy, Geeta, and Ramalingam extending their hands more and more for the expansion and becoming strong enough to competent in the educational field along with the educational institutions. In that respect, I can tell you, you all also know very well about Namashivayam, except me. He is not only an initiator on TM and yoga, one of the initiators for school, inspirer, mentor, admirer, administrator, guider, role model, great achiever, advisor, father, brother, like that we can piling on about his personality and his achievement. In such a way, the total ability, personality in the administrative line, nobody can conquer his height. In such a manner, he has enjoyed all the days without any suffering, fear, or any other thing for the progress, welfare, and go on expanding the school activities. The cooperation, coherence with me and with Ramalingam and other senior teachers, oh, tremendous, up to his last breath. In such a way, he always called me Annachi, Annachi. I can tell you, my mind, my Atma is not at all accepting, he is gone away. Everybody will also understand, he is dwelling in my heart deeper and deeper into my consciousness. I never accept, he has gone away. He'll be dwelling in my heart, dwelling in my staff, those who are along with me. Definitely his Atma will always guide us, help us, and give proper solution for any kind of problem in such a manner he has developed within the group of our teachers. Another 1 or 2 points I want to mention because of his association since the beginning of my service in this Maharshi's movement all over India. My service is more than 44 years in this movement. Along with him, 42 years. His punctuality, humanitarian feeling, humanity. Oh, I never imagined such a personality. I never meet. In such a way, his work, his feeling, his experience, his expansion activities, respecting all, elder, small, or any people who they may be. His respect giving is tremendous. He's a legend in the life, in his life and death. His loss is irreparable, unconquerable, unimaginable. Definitely. Such a way, his achievements and all other hard work always ringing in my mind, along with his voice, Nachi, Nachi, Nachi. If you touch any building here in Chetpat, classroom building or MIRS building, and touch the stones, bricks, immediately it will ring our name, our name, our name. Like that, inch by inch, we worked like anything. In that respect, he is very, very tremendous. Day and night, any midnight, keeping on working, or early in the morning, 5 minutes before he will be standing for me. Anachi will go there. Anachi will do this. He will be before me, even before me like that. In such a way, his achievements, his quality in management, that is also, everybody knows, I think all of us, we understand, even latterly entered into our family of Maharshi Vidya Mandir school teaching staff, non-teaching staff, everybody, to improve the ideal education based on our Maharshi Maheshwari. Always we think and expand based on the ideal education. Along with the meditation and yogasana, is I never feel passed away. Again and again, I feel he is dwelling in us. I sincerely pray and meditate. Atma of Namah Shivaya attains the abode of Almighty Gurudev, and he will keep on living in our heart to help us. With that heavy heart, I conclude my speech, unable to continue. Jai Gurudev.
Thank you, Mr. Parmanji. May I now call upon Mr. Ramalingam to say a few words about his association with Mr. Namachivaya.
Jai Gurudev. It is the situation what our Chairman ji told. But same Chairman ji told that he has created a system. He has trained the people. He has given instruction to the people. He saw that everybody is doing in an orderly way. With all the 40 years of association with him, more than 44 years we were with him. We were the first 15 years, we were very friendly with all these other activities to spare time. Afterwards, we were very much business like teachers and other people and other things and doing all the things. So there is a meaning for Sadguru. A Sadguru means any disciple who is going to the Guru must be given enlightenment. So I am just not comparing that, but it is the same way. Anyone is trained by Namasivayam Ji with all his knowledge and other thing, he is capable. Those team is capable. They will withstand all this situation, then they will complete that. For so many years, I am observing and executing this work. My prime thing is to see that 100% work has to be executed along with our teachers. So this confidence we have, all our team have, and you have got a very good able guidance of Perumal Ji and yourself. Now you are concerning about that. We are assuring all the teachers are trained, in charges are trained. As you told already, they have given meetings to discuss. There is a meeting to finalize. There is a meeting to probe. There is a meeting to find out. There is a meeting to feedback. So this is how he has been molded us. So I sincerely see that all his training must going to be put into practice now. It is going to be tested now. We see that we will come out. We will see that his ambitions and other things to achieve that goal of reaching 50 schools and other things with the quality education. Always explaining about that. When we were discussing about that, Pragad ji told after 30 years the school will be in a diva, the thumb down like that, but we'll see that it has not happened. So this is a very important motivation. This is an inspiration he has given to us. So it is a time he never allow anyone to do prolonged think this and that. Very important quality is making decision. This is fantastic, fantastic. Immediately, within few seconds, you will get a solution, and it must be executed immediately. This is how we have been trained. All our teachers, Preeti Madam, Premata Madam, and all the other in charges like Mageshwari Madam, Jnanapriya, and Nancy Madam, all other areas, all the in charges, everyone has got, because our school has got more than 5,500 children. Not only our school, we have been given instruction and guidance to all our fellow schools. All are trained and orchestrated by Namasivayam ji. Sir, Chairman ji and all other staff, it is a time for us to pay homage and also fulfill his desires. So we assure you, sir, with your blessings, we will be doing all the things. Thank you. Thank you, Jai Gurudev. Thank you, Jai Gurudev.
We invite our Managing Committee President, Sri Anbumani Sir, to deliver his speech.
Jai Gurudev. The school started in the year 1983 with 67 students. My association with Mr. Namachivayam and this Chennai school started in 1993 when I admitted my son in the 8th standard. So Mr. Namachivayam knows who is the capable person and who should be given an opportunity and chance. And when he was studying in +2, he made him as a school people leader. That changed his entire career, and he is now doing a very good practice, law practice in the Madras High Court. See, in 2007, there was a dream of the chairman, Mr. Arjun Raja, our ex-president, and Mr. Namachivayam and Mr. Perumal to start this Maharishi International Residential School. It started with only 85 students. Then, without Mr. Namachivayam's contribution, we could not have started so many schools in the state of Tamil Nadu. True, there is a vacuum created by Mr. Namachivayam. I do not know how we are going to fill the vacuum. If we have to fill the vacuum means we have to follow whatever Mr. Namachivayam has done for the school and whatever he has suggested to all the teachers and all those things, we have to follow all those things. He is fully conversant with the CBSE rules, regulations, and everything was in his fingertip. He has advised so many people to start schools apart from Maharishi Vidya Mandir, other schools and things. He is for the teachers and students, he is a guide, philosopher. Without his advice, we couldn't have grown this much. This is the first time from 1993 I am coming to the school to attend a meeting without Mr. Namasivayam. It is very difficult for me to digest that he is no more. May I request all the people and my friends to give strength to his wife, his daughter, and his son. Thank you very much. May I request Mr. Premalata to say.
Jai Gurudev, our chairman, and my pranams to everyone present here. With the blessings of our Gurudev and His Holiness Maharishi Mahesh Yogi Ji, under the able leadership of our chairman, Shri Ajay Prakash Ji, and under the guidance of our secretary, Shri T.C. Perumal, Namachivayam Sir, and Ramalingam Sir, the school was functioning peacefully, happily, towards the goal of success with all humbleness, simplicity, and nobleness. During this course of our journey, a sudden blow, or I can say a slap from the nature, maybe God wanted this lovable person for himself, hence taken him from us all of a sudden, still where we are not able to reconcile or accept the fact, as I was I was associated for more than 35 years with them, still not able to come out of that shock. After seeing so many members present here, I understand the love and respect you all have for him and how much his presence has affected us. He is such a lovable and noble personality. He was instrumental for establishing the Maharishi group of schools in Tamil Nadu. He had always been a guiding light and source of inspiration to each and every inmate of our Maharishi Vidya Mandir. He was a fatherly figure for all the staff and a mother to the students' community. A person from a humble background, he is known for his sincerity, industry, and kindness. He has won the heart of all by his simplicity and nobility. Such a renowned and eminent person is no more with us. He was also one of our best family friends. For me and for our family, his sudden demise is a personal loss. I conclude with a heavy heart and pray God for his soul to rest in peace. I also pass on my condolence to the bereaved family and to the members of the institutions. I still feel that physically he has disappeared from us. Still, he is there with us and will be guiding us whatever for the cause of education, which was his breath. Once again, I pray God, let us all pray for his soul to rest in peace and to attain the lotus feet of God. Jai Gurudev, Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.
Thank you, Ms. Premlata. May I now call upon Mr. Nagaraj, sir, former Director, Academic CBSE, New Delhi.
Good evening, everybody. Am I audible?
Yes,
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 sir.
yes,
Yes, sir.
yes. Please
Thank
proceed.
Respected members of the Maharishi Vidya Mandir and the chairman also, the group who are heading the Maharishi Vidya Mandir. I am also very deep grief in my talk. So Mr. Namashivayam was a great personality. When I heard he is no more, I was very much distressed. The Maharishi group was grown to this height because of his efforts, restlessness, and the hard work he has done to the Maharishi Vidya Mandir groups. When I came to Chennai during 90s, the first lady who has introduced Mr. Namashivayam was Mrs. Premlata, Mr. Ramalingam, who has come and met me with some issues of Maharishi Vidya Mandir. Subsequently, Mr. Perumalji was also introduced to me. These four people who are the pillars at that time for the Maharishi Vidya Mandir, they came and met me. Whenever they come with a request, mostly the institutions of Maharishi Vidya Mandir only, not with their any personal issues. Always they are thinking, Mr. Perumalji, this Ramalingam, Namashivayam, and Premlata. First, Premlata only introduced me these personalities. They have, at that time, Maharshi Vidya Mandir is one of the school in Chennai. Now it has grown to the greater heights. Number of institutions have come up. Because of these people's hard work, particularly the very dynamic and towering figure is Mr. Namah Shivaya. He is thinking always about that. How the school should be introduced, how the school should be given quality and quantity education. Number one, the number of institutions raised is not an easy joke. They have done it. 44 institutions running, 44 institutions starting is a sleepless nights to these people. Particularly he, whenever I have a distress, whenever I have a problem, I used to call him and solve for it. He is always ready with the solution and coming to the CBSE, sir, I will do this work. Immediately, that was the time he has given me a lot of courage and encouragement for us. We worked with them as not as a leaders, as a group, we have worked with these people. Number one. Number two, he has very hard-working personality, and as everybody said, he is helping everyone. Whoever approaches him for any sort of work, he used to help. Not only developing schools, any other work also used to do. Many times, our CBSE people have come from Delhi. He is ready with the hospitality. Many times, even in office work also, whenever there is a work, help, support, he used to come. In this respect, he has worked hard to bring the Maharshi institutions to the greater height. Now today in Chennai, that is also one of the, so these institutions also are very much in limelight. So with these words, I pray His Almighty may provide him the peace in his soul, and then the family may bear the loss. Thank you very much. I am grateful to all of you who has given me this opportunity to share my views. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. May I now call upon Mr. Srinivasan, Regional Office, CBSE, Chennai.
Good afternoon to all the dignitaries, respected Chairman, Secretary, and the office bearers of Maharishi Trust, teachers and friends and colleagues of Namaskaramji. We are all here to pay tribute to the departed soul of Sri Muchana. Though my association with Dr. Namachwaya was very short, he was always a guiding figure for me. Though the Maharishi institution was developed by a number of stalwarts, for me, I see Maharishi Vidya Mandir with Namachwayamji only. Now I recall how he has created and nurtured a model, and not only that, he could distribute that model to so many others also and guide them to successfully implement the model. In this course, not only the goodwill of Maharishi Vidya Mandir has grown, the Maharishi Trust, not only the Maharishi Trust also got benefited. Gurudev's message was also spread. So he was such a visionary to achieve all these positives only with his own hard work. He is very humble. Even if he talks over phone for a very small issue, though we say that no issue, sir, we will take care of that. So the next half an hour he will be in office with the same request. So when we say that, why sir, actually, why you have come all along? Actually, I said that's a small issue. It can be solved very easily and we will do it. He said, no, sir, actually, when I have a request, it is my duty to put forth appropriately. So it is just because of this humbleness this humility, so he could become such a stalwart, such a towering figure. So during this grief, I would like to pray to God Almighty to shower His blessing on his departed soul, to give peace to the departed soul. And at the same time, I pray that the bereaved family must get enough strength to bear this loss. And I appeal Maharishi Vidya Mandir group of schools and its teachers to carry on the legacy of Dr. Namachivayam and to continue the good work, and especially the value system Dr. Namachivayam ji created. In fact, given by Jai Gurudev and followed by Namachivayam ji. So I hope this legacy will continue forever. So thanks for giving me this opportunity. So thank you, Premalada Madam, actually for inviting me to this meeting. So thank you.
Thank you, sir. May I now call upon Mr. Neelakanta Pillai to say a few words about his friend, Mr. Namachivayam.
Jai Gurudev. For the last 35 years, we were together. Initially as teachers, then vice principal for a longer period of time, principal, senior principal, and director. Mainly because we both have the same wavelength and we are always in phase. There were so many divergent views. Either I convince him or he will convince me, so that we converge at a particular point and go ahead. So this quality I can never forget. There's rarely anything that he has not shared with me, be it official or personal. 21 years before, when we wanted to start a truncated school for our management, he came along with me, stood in the corridors of DPA office for hours together without even having lunch, right? Similarly, the next year, when Maharishi Vidya Mandir Hosur wanted to start a truncated school, we both stood together, which means nearly 2 years we were in the corridors of DPA office to start this truncated school. Both were successfully running this. And so many times we have been in the police station also for so many official purposes. So all those memories are not leaving me. I used to ask him, why is there so much stress you're having? Why are you expanding? No. Every district of Tamil Nadu should have a Maharishi Vidya Mandir school. This is our chairman's wish. Then he didn't stop that. He told 50 schools at least I wanted to start. Alas, he has stopped with 42. God has taken him. But I'm sure that Perumal sir, Ramalingam sir, Premalada madam, Nancy madam, Preeti Narayanan, there are so many workers who achieve this goal. He's always a positive thinking person. Namachivayam is a 6-letter word in Tamil. Na-ma-si-va-yam. Though there are so many traits which should be emulated by all of us, I will just list out only 6 traits. His hospitality is unforgettable. Anybody who comes to his office, he will not leave without taking a tea, a coffee, or a buttermilk. Equality, he treats the attendant, peon, driver, conductor, teacher, principal, everybody equally. That equality, very rarely people can have. Friendship. Even husband and wife will have some difference of opinion. But people who are working with him as friends, will never have any difference of opinion, because he always tried to get along with the people who are very friendly with him. And decision making, and correct, quick decision making. Year before last year, we were in Delhi for some CBSE work. I got a feedback from one of the Maharishi schools in southern part of Tamil Nadu. I told him, simply during a course of talking, I told him. Immediately he told somebody from that particular region and found out the veracity of that news. And he found it was true. Next moment, he called that particular person and told, tomorrow onwards, you should not come to school. You will spoil my school. See, that quick decision making and correct decision making he has done for the sake of the school. And he's a great motivator, right? During selection of teachers, initial stages, myself, Namachivayam sir, Perumal sir used to select teachers. He will always say, we should not take high-fi people, sir. They will run away from our school. We will take moderate teachers, train them, and then we will make them high-fi. That's a great motivation that is given to all the teachers. And the sixth one is the values that he has cherished, and he sought to that. It has been imbibed in all the Maharishi Vidyamandir schools. So that's a great thing. These are the 6 traits that Namachivayam rightly deserves. Lastly, Naladiyar says, Karuttunarndu Kattarinnda Kenmai Yenyandrum Kuruttu Karumbu Tindu Atte, which means the association with learned, cultured, educated people will be like that, eating the sugar cane from the tip to the bottom. As you eat from tip to the bottom, the sweetness increases. Like that, as and when you move with Sri Namachivayam, you will cherish, you will understand what a personality he is. God has taken him so early, his loss is unbearable. But I assure you, on behalf of the entire teaching fraternity and my behalf, anything that I will do for Namachivayam sir. Right? Jai Gurudev, may his soul rest in peace.
Thank you, Mr. Neelananda Pillai. Your speech, it's really very good. And Namachivayam, being a Tamil teacher, you have quoted Naladiyar and other things. That's very appropriate for this moment. Thank you, Mr. Pillai.
Thank you, sir.
Now may I call upon Preeti Narayanan, please.
Not audible. Unmute.
Unmute the call. Preeti.
Preeti madam, please unmute your
call. We are not able to hear.
We are unable to hear you.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, yes, please,
Yeah.
please, sir.
Yeah, Jai Gurudev, and my pranams to our Honorable Chairman, the members of our MVM group, all the delegates from the BSE board and state board, all the principals, vice principals, correspondents of all the schools of MVM, all who have been and are here for the Shraddhanjali meeting of our beloved Dr. S. Namachivayam, Dean and Director of MVM Group of Schools. To start with His Holiness Maharishi Ji's quote, "A calm and composed mind is the fountainhead of knowledge," and it's so very true with our beloved sir. With sorrowful heart, I'd like to speak a few words of the golden tenure of our sir. A man of high vision would never rest unless his mission is fulfilled. Today, he stands as a role model to all of us. His methodologies, his creative ideas, his new innovations have been so very befitting in our present day school curriculum. He is a legend, a mentor to all of us. Endless service, 24/7, is what we have learned from him, and we follow his footsteps to see that we now onwards strive like him and fulfill his goal and go on to achieve whatever he wanted the Maharishi schools to be. As it is said that in his service, he has brought in various ideas, and the in-service training that he has given to the heads of the department and to the teaching faculty. Today, we find it so very, he has brought into the school system the values, which is so very beneficial and useful to the students. He has made the teaching faculty to change change the classroom learning into a real life situations, and that is what we see during this pandemic time. For us all, it is something very new, but for him, it was a vision which he has already tried to fulfill and bring it into our system. And he is not only a legend, but a great stalwart who has left so many things for us to learn. I still remember when he made me an headmistress of the state board. It was in 2000, a second school after our Chetwat senior secondary CBSE school. And when the management shortlisted us to become the headmistress, and when he said, yes, Preeti ma'am, I'm sure you can take over. I just, after everybody, yes, and the management asking me to do so, I went to his, he said, Preeti madam, that word is in your dictionary, it is not in my dictionary. No one can say who is suitable, who is not. Take up the work and try to complete it. For 1 year, he gave me that much of training and coaching. From the next year, even for drafting, he asked me not to come to him. He said, you can do it. Why not? You are capable. Responsibilities are taken, it is not given. And I'm sure you can. This is how he gave us a backing, he gave us a support, he gave us all the guidance in what we are today. So, with a sorrowful heart, it is very difficult to come, accept it. It's still not, we are not coming to reality. But sir, we promise, our chairman also, that we will keep his legacy, we will follow his footsteps, and we will keep his spirit high. We will achieve what you wanted us to do. See, the name and fame, the flag of Maharishi Vidya Mandir keeps fluttering high on a high pedestal with all the glory that he wanted. We will try to fulfill, for he has given us a way, has given us a scholar of such an extraordinary human being, an extraordinary creative intelligence to spread far and wide. And you have almost established 44 schools. And we are here, sir, to guide and help each and everyone and give you all the support that we can. We promise to do our best. We promise our chairman and all the members here that we will hereafter strive all the more, and with our strength, we will stand tall till our last breath and do all the possible to fulfill the wishes of the great man, which with a heavy heart, it is unbearable to bear the loss of our sir. But I pray, may his soul rest in peace, and we will give all the support to his family also, with all our wishes, fulfilling his dreams and desires. We will do our best. Om Shanti, Jai Gurudev.
Thank you, Ms. Preeti, for your commitment to the institution and Mr. Namachivayam. May I now call upon Mr. Nagaraj, a TM teacher, please.
Jai Gurudev.
Jai Gurudev.
Jai Gurudev. Nainam chindanti shastrani, nainam dahati pavagaha, na chainam kredayam chapo, associati martaha. The Lord Krishna in Gita has said, the self is something which cannot be burnt, or it cannot be thrown away, it cannot be destroyed by anything. Like that, today, I have that great feeling that the spirit, the inspiration, the great motivation, the great soul of Sri Namasivayam is all there in all of us, in all the community of Maharshi's family, not only in his own family, but the extended family of all Maharshi's family, in all the DM teachers and the teachers of Maharshi Vidya Mandir, and all those who have come near to him. And that spirit will guide us to take us to more and more progression, more evolution, and more fulfillment of His Holiness Maharshi of establishing an ideal society and ideal child of good education and ideal citizen. Mr. Namasivayam, to say, many of the teachers, school teachers may be knowing him through the school, but our association has been from the beginning of TTC, Teacher Training Course in Tirumala. During the Tirumala TTC, I was there as a course leader, and that time itself I have seen him as a very, very ardent follower of the program and all that. Later, I had a lot of discussion, a lot of meetings with him, but after the 84 school started, in 84 the school has started, I have come also here and visited. But at that time itself, Mr. Perumalji, Rajkumarji, Mr. Maikandanji, and Mr. Ramalingam later he joined. They have all been with just one motive, that we have to serve our society through Maharshi's organization. Why I am saying this is, that was a time when Maharshi has been asking everyone to go in the entire world and teach. Many of us have been asked to go all over the world, like myself or some other teachers. And other teachers have invited to go and teach advanced technology around the world. Every teacher has been asked to go, but Mr. Perumal, Mr. Namasivayam, they have not been attracted. I cannot say that word attracted, but because their motive has been to serve our people and the people of, especially in Tamil Nadu, and to bring up the name of the name and fame to the institution of Maharishi and Maharshi's name in India. This was a great motive, because in my discussions during 80s, it is also when I visited school, that time also there was a program for Russia where everybody was called. I think even Perumalji went once for a few days, months and went. Even that time I asked Namasivayamji, you also can go and visit and come back. No, sir, my thing is only to take care of the school and expand it and bring Maharshi. And today, I really can say that in the entire of India, Namasivayam is the first person who could bring the utmost fame and utmost name, and people know Maharshi means because of Maharshi Vidya Mandir and because of Namasivayam and Perumalji and Ramalingam in the entire South India. And after this only several schools have been started. Of course, one or two schools have started earlier, but not that much. But several schools have started by the organization. And today our organization has got more than 200 schools, and in which the schools in Tamil Nadu stand as more famous in the quality and quantity, as well as one of the most sought after by the students, by parents. If you ask in Chennai, where to join? Sir, I want to join Maharishi. There was a time then I feared to, when I go out and meet some new person, to tell that I am from Maharishi group. Because the moment I said, sir, please get me a seat there. That's how people you may ask. But still, I was to tell, and whenever there is possibility and I feel genuine, I used to ask Mr. Namasivayamji and Perumalji, and they used to provide as much as possible cushion, as much as possible. Yeah. Because Namasivayamji is such a kind-hearted, Perumalji also, person that if he will not look at the student, whether he is a millionaire or he is an ordinary person. They will look at the need, they will look at the person, they will look at the inquisitiveness, interest of the boy, and then give the seat. This is a really very, very great loss for us, not only for our organization, for our schools, but the entire organization in India. I do remember that Mr. Namasivayamji has visited MIU also, and he was honored there. He was honored. He's the only person who has been honored at Maharishi International University, Maharishi University of Management from the entire India as a guide, as a person who achiever. So from myself also personally, it is a great loss because he was so good, so helpful in every aspect of the movement, not only in the schools. He was also looking after the needs of other organizations in the school like Maharishi Ayurveda also whenever we require, and Star Grants and other organizations which have been established. And I feel that for the chairman, Mr. Prakash ji, really it's a very, very great loss. But still, I assure our chairman and all our teachers, with all the combined effort and with all the motivation and inspiration and the strength given by Namah Shivayam, we will continue to go further and establish and bring the name and fame not only to Maharishi and organization, but to stand for the principles of Mr. Namah Shivayam of hard work and social service which he has done so far. Jai Gurudev.
Thank you, sir. May I now call upon Mr. Nathan Sambandam, please.
Jai Gurudev. It is really disheartening to speak in the Shraddhanjali of my beloved friend. Every time I visited him, it was a novel experience. Sometimes as a friend, sometimes as a guide, sometimes as a uncle to my daughter, sometimes as a guide, sometimes a teacher, sometimes even also as a student. As the name goes, Namah Shivayam, or otherwise Lord Shiva, whose abode is the Himalayas. He was a mammoth personality, and like the Himalayas, everything he did kept him going up in the pedestal. And all that all of us recall, and all that evidence left behind him in the form of 44 schools form his abode, the Himalayas. One good thing about it is he is one person who ensured whatever he did is embedded in everyone's mind and heart. Thus, he has frozen his good work. Like the Himalayas, we see the frozen snow. All his achievements, all his well wishes, all his values are like the Himalayas. So let us, and I, on behalf of everyone here, assure our beloved chairman that since all that he did is frozen and is possible for all of us to see at all times, we will take it from there and ensure that we do not miss him. He will be missed only physically and not from our minds and from what we are going to continue to do to this great institution, Maharishi Vidya Mandir group of schools. I wish and pray to the Almighty to ensure that the bereaved family has the courage to bear the great loss, and the family, his next family, the Maharishi Vidya Mandir group, and the extended family, the society, what is missing his absence. Thank you for the opportunity.
Thank you, sir. May I now call upon Mr. Balachandran, our auditor, please. Unmute Mr. Balachandran.
Is it okay, sir?
Yes, yes, please, please.
Jai Gurudev, dear Chairman Sir, esteemed committee members, teachers, the sudden death of our Namachaya Sir is really shocking to all of us. We know that it stands for sincerity, industry, and kindness. He has won the hearts of all of us because of his mobility and dynamism. Such an eminent personality is not with us today. It is an irreparable loss to his family and our institution, particularly all student community. Even in our recent CBSE examination, one fellow got 494%, 4 marks out of 500, the regional first. My association with this Maharishi group is from the year 1989, when Perumal Sir initiated me for transcendental meditation. From 1990 onwards, I was asked to do the audit of Maharishi schools, even though it is very small at the time, even though not necessary to get accounts audited as per income tax rules. Our Namachaya Sir said we should have some system. You audit from this year. So from 1990 onwards, I have been doing my service, my audit work to Maharishi group of schools. Of course, none can escape from death. One day or other, we have to leave physical world. We have to accept the nature's order. Simultaneously, we accept Maharishi's vision and the way in which Namachaya Sir was carrying forward the educational movement in southern India. I personally express my deep condolence to the bereaved family. Let us also pray to God that his soul may rest in peace. May God give his family the strength to bear the loss. Jai Guru.
Thank you. Mr. Rajkumar, advocate, please.
Respected Chairman, Secretary, and other senior heads of MEM Chennai, and other participants. First, I record my deepest condolences to the family of Dean and Director and the MEM team getting admission to my elder son in LKG. He was vice principal then. I cherish his gentle demeanor, instant help, a positive man. At that time, except one building, the Ved Bhavan, Bal Bhavan in the Maharishi Gardens of Chetpet, functioning in the thatched shed, I was able to see the transformation of the school every year, both on the academic as well as infrastructure. All the thatched sheds were replaced by tall buildings. This is possible because of the collective decision taken by Sir and Perumal Sir with the support of the management. Subsequently, in 2004, my younger son also got admission. I am proud parent that both my children studied in MEM Chetpet for 14 years, right from LKG. He has a care for all. One incident I want to record, that on 31/7/2013, he was going for a meeting with the chairman at Delhi, scheduled in the afternoon. And I was going to leave my elder son to pursue his BTech in Shiv Nadar University at Noida. At the Delhi airport, he offered us to accompany to the newly formed university, and his meeting scheduled only in the afternoon. It was stunning for me that he spent only 1 hour in the university. Within that time, he has inspected the classroom, library, facilities in the hostel, such as size of the bed, table, lighting, washroom, and tasted the quality of the food in the canteen, including protected water. This has impacted much. As advocates, we have been providing legal services right from his dream project MIRS and subsequent schools owned by MICI and its franchisee for more than 2 decades. He will always follow rules. He is highly enthusiastic and a lot of conviction in branding MVM logo through the state, and he made it. Normally, I used to record one word about him, a dynamic personality with empathy. Our family owes so much to him. Remain for the peace of his soul. Thanks for the opportunity. Let the good work done by him continue. Thanks again.
Thank you, Mr. Rajkumar. Mr. Sendil, Parent Teachers Association. Please, Sendil Kumar, please.
Very good day. Respected Chairman Sir, Andumani Sir, teachers, our beloved friends of the Administrative Committee and various other responsibilities. First of all, on behalf of the parents and teachers, and also lakhs and lakhs of students, I would like to thank our Namachivayam Sir for all his relentless and unparalleled service for all the students. The impact he has made in lakhs and lakhs of students' life could never be substituted, could never be done by anyone else. I'm sure it is Maharishi, His Holiness himself, has been performing his works through our Namachivayam Sir. And I can see the tears from the eyes of not only the teachers, also the housekeeping workers, the drivers, the last of the working committee, working people, working team of our entire Maharishi's organization. And most of all, when a student looks at Namachivayam Sir, I can see a shine in his eyes. I can see the shine in the students' eyes. The students will be rejoiced. They'll be happy to see our principal sir. Such was his influence, more than the organizational skills. The way in which we approach the students and education, and the contribution he has done to the society, the kind of confidence what the parents have on him is something unparalleled. If anybody thinks about Maharishi as a parent, it is the face of Namachivayam Ji which comes to them. Only then the rest of the people come over there. So as our chairman sir said, the shoes of our Namachivayam Sir is very difficult to fill. It's too huge. At the same time, the relentless hard work and systematic work ethics of our Namachivayam Sir has left out with a fantastic system with us, and it is now our responsibility to ensure that there is absolutely no disturbance of any kind whatsoever in the entire organization. This ship should be sailing across all the 7 seas of the world and see that it reaches the land every time, and the students are being taken along with the journey of education, wherein we bring out the man from the child, we make him a complete man. That is the objective of our education. That is the objective of Maharishi Ji. And each and every teacher, the principals, and every worker of this organization now should shoulder the responsibility of carrying and delivering the dream of our principal, who was working in line with the Maharishi's objectives to be achieved. I hope we all will certainly achieve with the blessings of Maharishi Ji, and also the guiding light will be that of our Namachivayam Ji. He is definitely not left with us. He might have left us physically, but then mentally within all our hearts, Whatever skills the teachers today have, they owe it to him. And as long as the teachers have him in their mind and heart, he still lives. And he will continue to live with us. He will be with us as a force of energy and support. I think we will deliver you, sir. You have left us immediately with a shock. That was really very sudden, and it's very difficult to take. Even now, it is very difficult for us to accept and believe that you are not there, sitting over there and looking at everything very calmly. தமிழ்ல என்ன சொல்லுவாங்கன்னா ஒருத்தருடைய அவங்களோட பிரசன்ஸ் சன்னிதானம் மாத்திரை they will say, like his mere presence inside that school will make everything calm and everything will be happening systematically. So sir, we all thank from our bottom of the hearts on behalf of the parents, on behalf of the students, and also the teachers for all the services, sir, which cannot be defined, which cannot be measured. It is an immeasurable, innumerable service what you have given to us. We can't say, we can't find words to really thank you and appreciate and we salute you, sir. We respect you, and we would definitely honor you in the coming days. Thank you. Jai Gurudev.
Thank you, Mr. May I ask Ms. Anita of Parent Association, please?
Jai Gurudev to one and all present here. Can you hear me, sir?
Yes, please.
Yes. I thank our chairman, Ajay Prakash sir, our committee members for giving me this opportunity. Mr. Namashivayam sir, he was a magnanimous person. He's gone today, but he will never be forgotten. And hope is something that never dies. And we sincerely hope that the love of God unfolds and protects our entire Maharishi family in this moment of grief. And personally, to tell, my association with sir was not too long. But I want to share certain instances where I've noticed him personally. During PTA meetings and all, when parents comes out with even the simplest problems, he will listen to it gracefully, very humbly, and he'll try to solve it to the maximum. And even on the day of his death, when I visited his house to pay his last respects, I happened to interact with some junior teachers and some non-teaching staffs. So each one had some story to tell about him. And I happen to know that sir has guided and he's trained many teachers, and he's given an employment in the school, and he's motivated and upgraded them. Many teachers spoke about him from the bottom of his heart, of their heart. And then at the Chetpet school, when he was the senior principal, I've seen him standing in the morning hours during when children and all get dropped. Personally, he'll see to it that the traffic is regulated, and many things, simple things I've learned from him. And he's down to earth. Any teacher, any student, even the bottommost level can approach him with any difficulty. I've always noticed him as such a person. And today it is a very grieving situation. I've got no words to express. And I also can feel from what other committee members were talking, it was a very, very long association. And as Sendil sir was talking, I can never believe that he is not with us today physically in this meeting. Somewhere in the corner of the heart, we feel he's there. So, I think that he has shown a path. The path has got no thorns, no bushes. It is very clear, and we can all guide it. We can walk through it with confidence and courage in the future. Thank you once again, all of us, all of you.
Thank you, Ms. Anita. Nancy Ramesh, please.
Jai Gurudev, Chairman Ji. My pranams to one and all present here. I would like to honor our late Dean and Director with a Kavidai, a small Kavidai. Kalki தோட்டத்தின் மாட விளக்கே, அதை மகரிஷி தோட்டமாய் மாற்றிய மகர விளக்கே, திரும்பி பார்க்கிறேன். இரு சக்கர வாகனத்தில் சலிப்பின்றி ஓடி ஒரு சக்கரவாகமாய் இந்த பள்ளியை ஏற்றுக்கொண்டவன் நீ. கல்வி ஒளிபட்டு தெரித்து சிதறும் கண்ணாடியாய் இந்த கல்வி நிலையத்தை நாட்டி நின்றாய். அந்த கண்ணாடிக்கு பின் இருந்த பாதரசமே நீ என்பது பலருக்கு தெரியும், சிலருக்கு தெரியும். ஆனால் எங்களுக்கு தெரியும், உன் மேல் வீசி எறியப்பட்ட கற்களை கூட செங்கற்களாய் மாற்றி பள்ளி அணைகள் கட்டிய கல்வி கரிகாலன் நீ. அன்பு செலுத்துவதில் நீ ஒரு நெல்லை தெரேசா. உனக்கு பறிக்க தெரியாது, விதைக்க தெரியும். பழிக்க தெரியாது, பணிவு தெரியும். ஆணவம் தெரியாது, ஆளுமை தெரியும். பெருமை தெரியாது, புலமை தெரியும். நீ உயர்ந்ததற்கு உன் தாழ்மையும் ஒரு தாரக மந்திரம். எவரும் எப்பொழுதும் உன்னை சந்திக்கலாம். சந்திப்பதற்கு எந்த சம்பிரதாய சட்டமும் நீ வைத்ததில்லை. ஆம், அப்பாயின்மெண்டிற்கெல்லாம் அப்பாற்பட்டவன் நீ. ஆனால் நீ மரணத்திற்கு கொடுத்த அப்பாயின்மெண்டை எங்களால் மன்னிக்க முடியவில்லை, மறக்கவும் முடியவில்லை. வழக்கரம் கொடுப்பதை வழக்கரமே அறியாமல் கொடுக்கும் விந்தையை எங்கு கற்றாய்? கலங்கிய விழிகளின் கலங்கரை விளக்கம் நீ. மனிதாபிமானத்திற்கே விளங்காத விளக்கம் நீ. நேரமில்லை என்று நீ கூறியதாக யாரும் கேள்விப்பட்டதில்லை. நினைவில் இல்லை என்று நீ கூறியதான சரித்திரமும் இல்லை. தட்டி கேட்கவும் தட்டி கொடுக்கவும் தெரிந்த தன்னிகரற்ற தலைவன் நீ. அதனால்தான் இன்றும் உன்னோடு ஆரம்பத்தில் இணைந்த ஆலமர விழுதுகள் எல்லாம் ஆறாது இன்னும் அழுது கொண்டிருக்கிறது. முன்னெச்சரிக்கையில் நீ முத்தெடுத்தவன். எதிர்காலத்திலும் எதிர்காலத்தை முடித்து வைக்கும் சூட்சமம் அறிந்தவன். உயிர் காக்கும் சூத்திரம் தெரியாமல் போனாயே, அதுதான் காலத்தின் கொடுமை, புரியாத இறைமை. நீ ஓடி அலைந்து பார்த்திருக்கோம், ஓய்ந்து நின்று பார்த்ததில்லை. உதவி செய்து பார்த்திருக்கிறோம், உதவி கேட்டு பார்த்ததில்லை. தொழுது நின்று பார்த்திருக்கிறோம், அழுது நின்று பார்த்ததில்லை. மரணம் வாழ்ந்த வாழ்க்கையின் நற்சான்றிதழ். வீடு அழுதால் அன்பின் பிரதிபலிப்பு, உறவுகள் அழுதால் அந்யோன்யத்தின் முணுமுணுப்பு, வீதி அழுதால் நற்பெயரின் அறிவிப்பு, பணித்தளம் அழுதால் நன்றி உள்ளங்களின் அங்கலாய்ப்பு. அனைத்து பழிகளும் அழுது அண்ணா, நீ மனிதநேயத்தின் பிரதிபலிப்பு. நம் பள்ளி கட்டிட கற்களில் கூட கண்ணீர் கசுகிறது. ஒரு கட்டிடத்திற்காக உன் பெயர் வைக்க வேண்டும், இது என் மனவேண்டுதலாய் ஏங்கி நிற்கிறது. உன் கண்டிப்பு காண்டீபத்திற்கு தப்பித்தவர் இல்லை. கருணை என்னும் கற்பகத்தில் சாயாதவரும் இல்லை. கேஜி என்பதுடன் உன் நேருரை தொடர்பு பெரிதாக இருந்ததில்லை. ஆனால் என்ன நினைத்தாயோ, ஏது நினைத்தாயோ, சமீபமாய் கேஜியுடன் உன் தொடர்பு லெவல் 4G ஆக மாறியது. எங்களுடன் நினைவில் நின்றதாயிருந்த உன் சிங்கப்பூர் பயணம் நினைவு சின்னமாய் மாற்றி மறந்து போகாத வடுவாக்கி விட்டாயே. நமது பள்ளியின் காலம் இனி நாமு நாப்பி என்றே நிர்ணயிக்கப்படும். நமச்சிவாயம் சாருக்கு முன், நமச்சிவாயத்திற்கு பின். அற்பமான எண்ணையும் செதுக்கி சிற்பமாக்கி மாற்றி தலைமை ஆசிரியை என்னும் தலைப்பாகி கட்டி பார்த்த தானே தலைவனே, உனக்கு என்றும் தலை வணங்குவேன். என் காலத்தில் உன் நிழலில் நின்று கற்ற பாக்கியம் பெற்றது கடவுள் என கழித்த ஆசி. உன் லட்சியம், திட்டம், தீர்மானம் எதுவும் கொள்ளியில் எரிந்திருக்காது. உன் ஆன்ம கனவுகள் எல்லாம் பள்ளியில் தான் பறந்திருக்கும். எங்கள் வளாகத்து காற்றில் அவை ஒன்றி கலந்து கலைந்திருக்கும். விடமாட்டோம். அதை பிரித்தெடுத்து தரித்துக் கொள்வோம். இதையாய் ஏற்று பாதையாய் வகுத்துக் கொள்வோம். உன் சடுதியான பிரிவில் வாடி பெருமூச்சுகளில் முகாரி பாடி தவித்து கூவும் ஆசிரியர் குயில்களின் குரல் உனக்கு கேட்காது. ஆனால் உன் ஆத்மார்த்த வார்த்தை வீச்சின் வாடாத சத்தம் என்றும் எங்கள் இருதயங்களில் தீங்காரமிடும். எங்கள் கண்ணீரே நதியாய் பாய்கிறது என்றால், எங்கள் கண்ணீரே நதியாய் பாய்கிறது என்றால் உன் குடும்பத்து கண்ணீர் கடலாய் கொண்டிருக்குமே. எப்படி இதை அறியாமல் போனாய்? உழைப்பில் உன்னை தொலைத்து விட்டு உலகத்திற்கு முன்பு பெருமை சேர்த்து விட்டாய். உன் அன்பு துணைவியின் வெறுமைக்கு எதை சேர்க்கப் போகிறாய்? ஆறுதல் வார்த்தைகள் தேடி கிடைக்காமல் வாடிப்போய் மட்டுமல்ல ஆடிப்போய் நிற்கிறோம். இந்த துயர தொனி, இந்த சோக செய்தி, இந்த கண்ணீர் கவிதை தனி ஒருத்தியின் தாழாத குரல் அல்ல. மகரிஷி பள்ளியின் அடைக்கலம் பெற்று உன் ஆதரவு தீயில் குளிர் காய்ந்த ஒட்டுமொத்த உள்ளங்களின் ஓலக்குரல், அதிர்ச்சியின் அவலக்குரல், ஆற்றாமையின் ஆதங்க குரல். நீ கற்றுத்தந்த பாதையில் சற்றும் தடுமாறாமல் செல்ல சபதம் எடுக்கிறோம். நின் பெயர் காப்பாற்ற விரதம் இருக்கிறோம். அன்பும் சிவமும் இரண்டன்பார் அறிவிலார். அன்பே சிவமானது ஆறும் அறிகிறார். அன்பே நமச்சிவாயம் சார் என்பதை அறிந்த பின் அமைதியாய் இன்னும் அமர்ந்திருப்பாரோ. வாழ்க நின் புகழ். என்றும் உன் ஊழியை நான்சி ரமேஷ். நன்றி. ஜெய் குருதேவ்.
நன்றி திருமதி நான்சி அவர்களே. உங்களுடைய வேண்டுகோளை நிச்சயமாக சேர்மனிடம் கொண்டு சென்று அதை நிறைவேற்றுவோம். நன்றி. Geeta, please.
Jai Gurudev, respected Chairman Sir, Secretary, Principals, Correspondents and Heads of MVM Group of Institutions. With due respect to our Dean and Director Sir, I would like to share some of my thoughts. I owe my association and growth with MVM Chetpet since 1986. Sir has been the role model to lakhs and lakhs of students since 4 decades, has been a key person in their growth and transformation. I am here with sorrowful heart to be a part of sad moment of the sudden demise of our Dean Sir, who devoted his entire life for the growth of MEM. His guidance and leadership had created leaders to follow his path in a righteous way. The only motive for each and every moment of Sir was just for the welfare of the institution and all its stakeholders. I am sure that everyone would take him as great inspiration, who was always there to hold our hands and take us in the noble cause of education. To be honest with all of you, MEM would not be in limelight if our Dean Sir were not present with us. Hope everyone would agree with me. And I strongly believe that still the Holy Spirit of our Dean Sir will always guide us in the same way to attain the glory and success in the growth of Maharishi Vidya Mandir. In spite of this great loss, we will ensure to carry forward Sir's vision and mission of taking Maharishi Vidya Mandir group of institution to greater heights under your able guidance, Sir. With due respect, I pray to Almighty Maharishi Mahesh Yogi for Sir's Sadagati. At this hard moment, our prayers are with Sir's family. Thank you very much for giving this opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you. Mr. K. Haribabu, Senior Principal, please. Principal.
Jai Gurudev to all. Revered Chairman Sir, correspondents, principals, vice principals, and members of MEM family. Our beloved Dean and Director, Dr. S. Namashivayam, has become immortal and shall remain etched in our memories forever. He has left a vacuum, and presently we all feel like riding on a boat which is rudderless. He has left an indelible mark on every individual who came across him during his lifetime. He has been a guide, mentor, philosopher, and above all, a very genial person to everyone. One of the greatest qualities that he possessed was that he was a patient listener. He would always nod his head and say yes. On pondering solemnly, I think the best tribute we can pay to him is by dedicating ourselves and becoming more determined and more devoted to our task, which is serving mankind, the students and society selflessly. I feel that all the members of MEM family shall keep the flag of MEM fly high in future too. With this, I conclude my speech, my sincerely paying my homage to our Namashivayam sir. Thank you. Jai Gurudev.
Mr. Namachivayam, advocate, please.
Good evening, sir. My respected chairman, Mr. Perumal sir, and all other participants. I had known Mr. Namashivayam for the last 2 decades. To him, sky was not the limit, and he went on moving elegantly with his passion. His passion was education. His love was for children. He had molded thousands of children who are in different parts of the world, being an evidence to his work. I am proud about one thing. I share my name, including initial and spelling, with a great legend. When the news of his demise flashed in our circle, I received condolence messages that made me think, and I thought, If only I could exchange, it would have been better that he should have lived. He should have lived longer, because his contribution to the society was far greater than what I am able to do. It is said that men are equal, but some are more equal. And I will rate Mr. Namasivayam on the highest pedestal for his conviction, passion, and results. I salute him for his greatest contribution to the society. And I'm sure there will be a number of people who will be able to emulate him. And the MEM group of schools will continue, if not better, his contribution. Thank you so much for everyone for the opportunity given to me. Thank you very much. Wishing you the best.
Thank you, sir. May I now call upon Mrs. Maheshwari, please.
Jai Gurudev, sir. Jai Gurudev, respected Chairman, Shri Ajay Prakash ji, Secretary T.C. Perumal, the dignitaries who have joined us today. On behalf of the MEM family, I would like to express my profound sense of gratitude for having stood in solidarity in this hour of grief. With your permission, I conclude this meeting with faith that may the soul of our beloved Dean and Director Shri Namasivayam ji rest in peace. Jai Gurudev.
Thank you for all the participants. We are concluding this meeting. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Ambumal ji. Thank you, Perumal ji.
Jai Gurudev, Jai Gurudev.
Jai Gurudev, sir.
Jai Gurudev.
Jai Gurudev, sir.
Jai Gurudev, sir. Jai Gurudev, ma'am.
Jai Gurudev, ma'am. Jai Gurudev,
Jai Gurudev, sir. Jai Gurudev.
Jai Gurudev. Jai Gurudev, ma'am. Jai Gurudev, sir. Jai Gurudev, sir.
Jai Gurudev, sir. Jai Gurudev, ma'am. Jai Gurudev, ma'am. Jai Gurudev, ma'am. Jai Gurudev, sir. Jai Gurudev, ma'am. Jai Gurudev, sir. Jai Gurudev, ma'am.
Jai Gurudev, sir.
Jai Gurudev, sir.
Jai Gurudev, sir.
Jai Gurudev, bhaiya.
Jai Gurudev, sir.
Jai Gurudev, sir.
Jai Gurudev.
Jai Gurudev, sir.
Jai Gurudev.